Hayi uzoyikhipha-ke kumina uCapitec yazi bengihlezi ngibona abantu beshaya amavidiyo ngiy'tshela abantu banesikhathi sokuganga bathengiwe mhlawumbe ukuthi baxhaphaze uCapitec. Hayi ngeke ekuseni ngivuswa yenye bafethe i-transaction ye-withdrawal nakhona kube yinhlanhla ukuthi imali yami kwi-current beku-560 imali bingala kwe-saving ngenhlanhla. Hayi le transaction le yango-past 2 u-500 rand. Hayi angikwazi nale ikhadi kumina ngifonile eCapitec ngabuza ukuthi hawu ikhishwe kanjani imali bathi ikhishwe ngekhadi nephini. Nale ikhadi kumina bayaconfirm ukuthi ligcina ngayo iphi number ligcina ngayo le number ligcina ngo-63 kanjani ikhadi kumina ngo-past 2 ngibe ngilele. Hayi sengiqasha amaphara kaCapitec kantshontshe imali zabantu bafethu ngeke yabona-ke leli bank nizosixosha kulona ngoba bengingaba imali enkulu le kwayiwona u-500 rand futhi akusiyona imali encane ungawazi ukuthi ushone kubo. Bengilele ngo-past 2 bani okhipha imali bathi angiye police station bona-ke indaba bangayi-investigateli ngoba phela abantu ba-report into eyodwa ukuthi kwenzakalani bona-ke because phela fanele ngabe sebene-campaign abayenzayo eserious yoku-investigate ukuthi imali zabantu yithathe uba abakwazi ukuthi kuwona wonke umuntu bangakutshela ukuthi hambe e-police station wonke umuntu why beyithatha light lonto leyo akwazi ukuthi bangayithatha light ngoba phela bazolahlekelwa ama-custom kusho ukuthi bayazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Bafethu ngeke hayi
Yeah. If there's one thing, you don't mess with Zulu people. Apparently, this happened yesterday in KZN, in the Stenga area. This is a Capitec bank. What you see on the floor here, it's a body bag on a stretcher that was brought in by a family as part of their proof and evidence for their funeral policy claim. So a family thathe isidumbu yasisebhankini like a Capitec eStenga ukuthi bempe ngempela abaprove ukuthi ngempela ilungu lomndeni lishonile alisekho. So one thing about the Zulu people that I like mna engiyithandayo ngoZulu, if you go harder on them, they go harder. And into abayenzile le abayifundise uCapitec izolo. So I don't know what's your view uthini wakho umbono ngale senzo, but this reminds me of a case we had Old Mutual before, where Old Mutual bengazange funa ukubhadela iclaim yomuntu, and there was a trend on Twitter and all that about it, you know. So maybe this is how funeral policies, especially your likes of Capitec, want African people to act and to bring evidence to them when they say they need evidence to claim ukuthi they have lost a loved one and they are claiming from the policy that they have with the bank. So nazo-ke guys, nazo-ke we know, especially with this bank, we've seen a lot of challenges when people have to claim imali yakwa Capitec. I'm sure almost everyone in every town, or you know someone who has a story to tell about Capitec and their funeral policy claims issues. So the family in Stenga izolo yona went ahead yathatha isidumbu yasise ebhankini. So nazo-ke bafowethu, nazo-ke badadewethu, I'm not saying anything if you have a policy with Capitec angisho ukuthi yenzani kanjani, but I'm just letting you know ukuthi this is what happened yesterday in Stenga. Niyayibona ke? So angazi nina uthini wakho umbono, what's your view? Would you do this also if your funeral policy holder doesn't want to issue out funds for your claim, or they still want more evidence, or they write big English now that you have to claim imali, but when they were deducting money from your account, they were not writing any big English, they were just deducting money from your bank account, or even if when you had to pay, you were just paying openly so and willingly so. Manje, when it's time for them to return what's yours so that you can bury your loved one, then they put you through this to such an extent that you have to go through this humiliation. Ukuthi uthathe uhambe uyothatha umzimba usebhankini so that they can see that really a person is deceased. You are not faking it, you are not being corrupt, you are really in a crisis, you need to bury your loved one, and you are claiming your policy that you have with them. Nazo-ke bafowethu, it's sad ukuthi it's always black people who always find themselves under such instances and under such conditions. 32 years into democracy. Nazo-ke bafowethu.
Hey guys, I think it's high time now we leave Capitec alone. Lelo xesha selifikile because komnyusisi bebalisa apha ku-TikTok intoba umama wakhe wasave more than 17,000 ebhenki, only to find out uba loo mali leyo njengoba waseva loo mali leyo xa eyoyifuna imali yakhe it's gone, ithathiwe, ayikho, akho nesenti, and uCapitec akakwazi uyilandelela uba yenzeke kanjani. Okwesibini, akakwazi ukuyibuyisa. Okokuqala, ngubani onikise ngelantika ngee-details zakhe? Yabona loo nto, ngubani onikise ngee-details zakhe? And recently eStenga e-KZN abantu phaa bebeyoclaima i-funeral claims abafumananga mali, kuthiwa mabaze neproof. Ababangaza nayo le document hayi kuphinde kuthiwa bathi aboneliseki, bancame baya nomzimba, yayibo. And abo bantu abo babanjiwe, abo baye nomzimba ngoku. Uyabona uba kubanjwa ngaba bantu bebeyofuna imali zabo because ba-frustrated abantu, they need to bury lo mntu, abanayo enye plan, bebexhomekeke kulo Capitec. So I think uCapitec is failing us. It's high time we boycott this bank. Let's just leave this bank alone. It's not safe anymore now kuCapitec. Zininzi izitori ezibaliswayo ngoCapitec uba abantu bakhala ngoCapitec uba kwaze kwathi uCapitec. Let's just boycott this bank and leave it alone. Siye koo-Nedbank bethu nakoo-ABSA nakoo-FNB, at least ezo bhanki ezo azinanto ininzi esokolisayo, yayiqonda, ne-safety yazo. uCapitec is here to scam us. Ayikho enye into, is here to scam us.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Uyakhala bhuti ngemva kokuthi Capitec amdonsele 500 langade ukuthi udonsiwe njani. Uthi makabafonela abaka Capitec bamtshela ukuthi imali uyikhishwe ebhenki ngelikhadi. Uthi kanjani because ikhadi lakhe belinaye and imali bayikhiphe ngabo 2 ebusuku. Uthi kukhonakala njani uthi kahle Capitec soyasicola Capitec kusho ukuthi soqasha amaphara la ntshontsha imali tethu, because why always people are complaining about Capitec ukuthi baqola imali? Just imagine lama video lamaningi leswabona lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana, and mind you kunebantu labanganawo ngisho nema social media accounts lesingasidade titori tabo tokuqolwa imali ngeCapitec, but it shows ukuthi baningi bantu labaqolwa ngeCapitec, and each and every time uhlezi angakunaki ngisho kuthiwa mhlawumbe uyayibika issue yakhe akakunaki, abantu bahlala basho ukuthi bahlezi bagijele emabrentshini bangabanaki indzaba yabo njena abayithathi serious. No guys, Capitec needs to do something about this issue, because abantu abaningi sebaze bayasho ukuthi ngazuthi ne-time bank seyingcono kakhulu Capitec njena uscam, bakhiphe ngisho imali loyibeke kuma-savings. So do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.